Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys why Block Blast suddenly stopped working. If Block Blast suddenly stops working, it could be a network, server or app issue. First of all, check your internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to rule out network issues. Also, weak or unstable Wi-Fi often causes crashes. Restart your phone to clear memory and background tasks. Then head over to your app store, search for Block Blast, and then make sure to update your app to the latest version. Developers often release patches for certain problems, so make sure to update it. If the game continues to fail, it may be a server side. Wait for a few minutes and then try again. Most issues resolve within a short time using these steps. And that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.